Hello, girls, how are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kinder A, and today I brought vocabulary words that are the insects. Before learning the words and how to name different insects in English, we're going to read this poem. The title of this poem is Insects, and it is now circled in light blue. That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. We'll always read from left to right and up and down. Pay attention because as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled. Insects. Butterflies that flutter in the sky. Spotted ladybugs that go creeping by. A fuzzy caterpillar with tiny feet. Bees buzzing around by flowers that smell so sweet. A long line of ants that work so much. Crickets at night chirping all around. Okay, so here we have our insects, and I am going to present the vocabulary words, and then I am going to count it to 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to say the word with me. Ready? Let's go. Butterfly. 1, 2, 3. Butterfly. Ladybug. 1, 2, 3. Ladybug. Caterpillar. 1, 2, 3. Caterpillar. Bee. 1, 2, 3. Bee. Ant. 1, 2, 3. Ant. Cricket. 1, 2, 3. Cricket. Okay, so those were the vocabulary words, and now that you have learned them, we're going to read the poem one more time. Ready? Let's go. Insects. Butterflies that flutter in the sky. Spotted ladybugs that go creeping by. A fuzzy caterpillar with tiny feet. Bees buzzing around by flowers that smell so sweet. A long line of ants that work so much. Crickets at night chirping all around. Okay, and now I have a game for you. That game is Hangman. So here there is a flashcard that is covered, so we don't know what insect is behind it. And we're going to see and try to guess the word and the insect that's behind that flashcard, okay? So this insect has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters. Okay, so let's see our first letter. Does this insect have letter F? Let's see. Yes, very good. So this insect has letter F on its name. Let's see, next one. What sound is that? Ah, very good. That sound ah. So let's see if this insect has this sound. No, on the head of our hangman is there. Let's see the next sound. What sound is it? I. Very good. I. Does this insect have sound I? No, and the body of our hangman is there. What sound is that? T. Very good. So let's see if this insect has this T. Yes, very good. And it has two T. Very good. Let's see our next sound. What sound is that? E. Very good. E. Let's see. Yes. So te. We don't know yet what insect may be. What sound is that? Very good. Let's see if this insect has this letter and it doesn't. Uh-oh. Next one. B. Let's see. B. Yes, and it's our beginning sound. B. B. T. F. What? insect is it? Maybe Oh, yes, very good. Ter. Ah, can it be a, let's see, sound, let's see, butter. Can it be butterfly? Yes, it's a butterfly. Excellent, girls. Let's see our next insect. So we have an insect that has, let's see how many words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and whoa, so many letters. It has so many letters, not words. Sorry, that was my mistake. So let's see our first letter sound. Ah. Does it have an ah? Yes, and it has two ah. Very good. Let's see our next sound. Ah, ah. No, it doesn't have an ah. Okay, next sound. What sound is that? Eh. Very good. Eh. Let's see if it has an eh. Yes, very good. It does have an eh. Let's see our next sound. E. Let's see. E. Yes, it does have an E. Very good. Let's see our next sound. O. No, it doesn't have an O. Okay, so the body of our hangman is there now. A, E, I, A. It says. Let's see. Our next sound is, what sound is that? Very good. Very good, and it has two Excellent. A, I, R. Our next sound is B. Very good. B. Let's see if it has a B. No, it doesn't. And there's an arm on our hangman now. Let's see our next sound. No, and the other arm appeared because it doesn't have an. Let's see. Our next sound is T. Let's see if it has a T. Yes, a ter er. What insect is it? P, maybe P. Okay, so caterpillar. Can it be a caterpillar? Yes, it's a caterpillar. Very good. And our last word is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 letters. So let's see our first sound. Ah. Can it be ah? Yes, it does have an ah. Let's see our next sound. What sound is that? I. Does our insect have an I? No, and the head of our hangman appeared. Let's see the next sound. E. Does this insect have an E? No, and the body of our hangman is there. Let's see the next sound. Does this insect have an Yes, very good. It does have an A. Okay, our next word is O. The next sound, O. Oh, and it's not there in our insect, so the arm of the hangman appeared. Let's see our next sound, B. Yes, and it does have a B. Okay, very good. And more sounds. What sound is that? S. Very good. So let's see if it has an S. No, there are two arms on our hangman. Oh, let's see the next sound. D. Wow, very good. Add B. I have no idea what insect may be. So let's see our next sound. L. Does it have an L? Laid B. What sound? Maybe a ladybug. Very good. It's a ladybug. Excellent. So thank you very much, girls, for helping me. A big kiss for everybody. Bye bye.